What's up, traders? Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and most powerful scalping methods you'll ever see. But before we jump into the strategy, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Alright, let's dive straight into the charts. First things first, we need to head over to the 4-hour chart to find a valid CRT setup. Now, I'm assuming most of you already know what a CRT is, but if you want a dedicated step-by-step video explaining it, just drop a comment down below. Alright traders, for this specific strategy, we are only going to utilize two time frames, the 4-hour and the 15-minute. Once we spot our CRT on the 4-hour, we drop down to the 15-minute chart to locate a precise key level. That exact key level is going to be our entry point. Let's look at a real chart example to see exactly how this works. Alright, let's kick things off by heading over to the 4-hour chart. Once the candle fully closes like this, we need to establish our stop loss. We will mark the low of this sweeping candle as our invalidation point. But first, before we do anything else, we must properly map out the CRT low and the CRT high on our chart. Right, after that, let's head over to the 15-minute chart. Alright, you can clearly see our CRT low right here. Now, let's locate our key level. I won't go too deep into the mechanics of key levels in this video, but as you can see, we have a clean QM pattern with a fresh V-shape reaction. That exact spot is our entry point. Let's execute the trade right here. This setup allows you to trade with an incredible risk-to-reward ratio. Alright traders, what you're looking at right now is our second chart example. And as you can see, price hit our target perfectly. While you're watching this play out, I want you to drop a comment down below and let me know what kind of educational content or strategies you want to see next on this channel. If you learned something valuable today, write it in the comments. And if there's any part of this CRT model that felt confusing or hard to understand, don't hesitate to ask. I will be replying to your questions personally. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next breakdown. Happy trading, guys!